Hello students, let's start our today's class. Our today's class is English class, okay? And today's topic is phonic sound of E. Phonic sound of vowels E, okay? P-H-O-N-I-C, phonic sound. S-O-U-N-D, sound. Phonic sound of vowel E. Okay. Now let's begin our class. Before starting the phonic sound of letter E, let's revise vowels and consonant. Okay. Revise of vowels and consonant. What are vowels? The letter A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Letter A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are we call vowels. Okay, these letters we called as vowels, and the remaining letter except A, E, I, O, U, except these 5 letters, all the letters are called consonant. All the letters are called consonant except A, E, I, O, U. The letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. These 21 letters are consonant. 21 letters are consonant and 5 letters are vowels. 5 letters are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are consonant and the remaining all the letters are consonant. That is 21 letters. Okay. Vowels and consonants. V-O-W-E-L-S, vowels and consonant. C-O-N-S-O-N-A-N-T-S, consonant. Vowels and consonant. The terms vowels and consonant refers to the sounds which make up the spoken language. Okay, the terms vowel and consonant refer to the sound which make up the spoken language. Vowels are open sound and consonants are relatively closed. Okay, the letters that vowels letter A, E, I, O, U are open sound. When we say these 5 letters, these vowels letter, these are open. We don't need to touch our lips. Okay, we can say these letters with our open mouth. Okay, so vowels are open sound and consonants are relatively close. Okay, English has 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels. Okay, these letters of the alphabet can be used to represent some of the many open sound of the language. Okay, these letters of the alphabet can be used to represent some of the many open sounds of the language. Okay. Now let's revise first a sound words. After the revision of a sound words, we will start our phonic sound of E. Okay. Now A sounds words. A sound words. Okay. Here are some 2 letters word. 2 letters, 3 letters word. Now with this 2 letter word we will make different words. Okay, like A and N. So with this A and we can make so many letters like B A and ban, C A and can, F A and fan, M A and man, P A and pan, R A and ran, J A and jan. Okay, like this: A G egg, A B ab, A M m, A C K ack, A S H ash. Okay. Now let's read these words. Okay, and let's revise this A sound words. Now first is A N an, B A N ban, C A N can, F A N fan, M A N man, P A N pan, R A N ran, J A N jan. Okay, these are the words with A N. Now next is A G egg. Now let's read the words with A G egg. Now first word is B A G bag, B A G bag. Next is G A G gag, G A G gag. Next is H A G hag, H A G hag. Next is L A G lag, L A G lag. Next is N A G nag, N A G nag. Next is R A G rag, R A G rag. And the last is S A G sag, S A G sag. These are the words with A G egg. Now next is A B ab, A B ab. Now first word with A B is C A B cab, C A B cab. D A B dab, D A B dab. G A B gab, G A B gab. J A B jab, J A B jab. L A B lab, L A B lab. N A B nab, N A B nab. And the last is T A B tap, T A B tap. Now let's read the words with A M M. A M M. First word is R A M ram, R-A-M, ram. Next is D-A-M, dam. D-A-M, dam. B-A-M, bam. B-A-M, bam. H-A-M, ham. H-A-M, ham. J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. Y-A-M, yam. Y-A-M, yum. The last is C-L-A-M, clam. C-L-A-M, clam. These are the words with A-M, M. Now let's read the word with A-C-K, ack. The first word with A-C-K is B-A-C-K, back. B-A-C-K, back. H-A-C-K, hack. H-A-C-K, hack. J-A-C-K, jack. J-A-C-K, jack. L-A-C-K, lack. L-A-C-K, lack. M-A-C-K, mac. M-A-C-K, mac. P-A-C-K, pack. P-A-C-K, pack. R-A-C-K, rack. R-A-C-K, rack. Okay. Now let's read the word with A-S-H, ass. Okay. The first word is C-A-S-H, cash. C-A-S-H, cash. Next is B-A-S-H, bash. B-A-S-H, bash. Next is D-A-S-H, dash. D-A-S-H, dash. Next is G-A-S-H, gash. G-A-S-H, gash. H-A-C-K, hack. Okay. L-A-S-H, lash. L-A-S-H, lash. And the last is M-A-S-H, mash. M-A-S-H, mash. Okay, now these are the words with A sound. Now let's start the phonic sound of letter E. Phonic sound of E. Now let's read the word with E sound. Okay, H-E-N, hand. H-E-N, hand. The sound of E is A. Okay, so H-A-N, hand. H-A-N, hand. Next is R-E-D, red. R-A-D, red. R-E-D, red. R-A-D, red. W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. W-A-T, wet. W-A-T, wet. Next is Dan. D-E-N, Dan. D-A-N, Dan. D-A-N, Dan. Next is B-E-D, bad. B-E-D, bad. B-A-D, bad. B-A-D, bad. Next is J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. J-A-T, jet. J-A-T, jet. And the last is pat. P-E-T, pat. P-E-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. Now, let's read the words with ed add. Ed add. A-D add. A-D add. Okay. Let's read the word with add. Like b-ed, bad. B-ed, bad. B-E-D, bad. B-E-D, bad. B-ed, bad. B-ed, bad. Okay. Next is F-E-D, fad. F-E-D, fad. F-E-D, fad. F-ed, fad. F-ed, fad. F-A-D, fad. F-A-D, fad. Next is L-ed, lad. L-E-D, lad. L-E-D, lad. L-E-D, lad. L-ed, lad. L-ed, lad. L-A-D, lad. Okay. Next is R-E-D, rad. R-E-D, rad. R-ed, rad. R-ed, rad. R-E-D, rad. R-ed, rad. Next is W-E-D, wad. W-E-D, wad. W-ed, wad. W-ed, wad. Now next is S-H-E-D, sad. S-H-E-D, shad. Sh-ed, shad. Sh-ed, shad. Okay. S-H-E-D, shad. Okay. These are the words with ed sound. Okay. Ed, add. Ed, add. Okay. E-G, egg. E-G, egg. Now let's read the word with EG. EG, egg. First word is B-E-G, bag. B-E-G, bag. B-egg, bag. B-egg, bag. B-egg, bag. B-E-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Next is C-L-E-G, clag. C-L-E-G, clag. C-L-E-G, clag. K-L-A-G, clag. K-L-A-G, clag. Next is drag. D-R-E-G, drag. D-R-E-G, drag. D-R-Egg, drag. D-R-E-G, egg, D-R-Egg, drag. D-R-E-G, drag. Next is K-E-G, keg. K-E-G, keg. K-egg, keg. K-egg, keg. K-E-G, keg. Next is L-E-G, leg. L-egg, leg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. L-egg, leg. And the last is P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. P-egg, peg. P-egg, peg. Okay, these are the words with EG, egg. Now let's read the words with E and N. E and N. Okay. The first word is D-E-N, Dan. D-E-N, Dan. D-N, Dan. D-N, Dan. E-N-N, D-N, Dan. E-N-N, D-N, Dan. E-N-N, D-N, Dan. D-E-N, Dan. Okay. Next word is M-E-N, man. M-E-N, man. M-E-N, man. M-E-N, man. M-N, man. M-N, man. E-N-N, M-N, man. E-N-N, M-N, man. M-E-N, man. M-E-N, man. Next is T-E-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. T-N, ten. T-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. T-N, ten. T-N, ten. Okay. Next is T-H-E-N, then. T-H-E-N, then. T-H-E-N, then. T-H-E-N, then. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. H-N, hen. H-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. H-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. And the last is Y-E-N, yen. Y-E-N, yen. Y-N, yen. Y-N, yen. Y-E-N, yen. E-T, at. E-T, at. Now let's read the word with et, at. Like first word is L-E-T, let. L-E-T, let. L-at, let. L-at, let. Next is W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. W-at, wet. W-at, wet. W-at, wet. Next is M-E-T, mat. M-E-T, mat. M-at, mat. M-at, mat. M-E-T, mat. M-E-T, mat. Okay. Next is G-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. G-at, get. G-at, get. G-at, get. G-at, get. Okay, you can read like this also. Et, at. G-at, get. Et, get. Et, at. G-at, get. J-E-T, jet. J-at, jet. Et, at. J-A-T, J-E-T, jet. J-at, jet. Et, at. J-at, jet. J-at, jet. Okay. Next is N-E-T, net. N-at, net. N-E-T, at. N-at, net. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. N-at, net. N-at, net. Et, at. N-at, net. Et, at. N-at, net. Okay. So these are the words with et, at. Okay. Now let's read the word with E-double-L, L. E-L-L, L. E-double-L, L. Okay. First word is B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-double-L, bell. B-L, bell. E-double-E-L, B-L, bell. E-double-E-L, E-double-L-L, E-double-L-L, B-L, bell. E-double-L-L, B-L, bell. Okay. Next is W-E-double-L, well. W-E-double-L, well. E-double-L-L, W-L, well. E-double-L-L, W-L, well. E-double-L-L, W-L-L, well. Okay. Now S-H-E-double-L, shall. S-H-E-double-L, shall. Sh-L, shall. H as sh, E double L, L, shell. E double L, L, sh, L, shell. Okay. Now next is S, E double L, cell. S, E double L, cell. S, E double L, shell. Okay. S, L, cell. E double L, L, S, L, cell. E double L, L, S, L, cell. Okay. Next is H, E double L, hell. H, E double L, hell. E double L, L, H, L, hell. E double L, L, H, L, hell. Okay. H, E double L, hell. Next is T, E double L, tell. T, E double L, tell. T, L, tell. T, E double L, L, T, L, tell. E double L, L, T, L, tell. T, E double L, tell. Okay. These are the words with EL, L. Bell, well, shell, cell, hell, tell. Okay. Now we have completed our E, phonic sound of E words. Okay. These all words are in your books. Okay. So please try to read all these words by yourself. How to read? I taught you, right? How to read? E double L, ill, E T, at, E N, N, E G, egg. Okay. Try to read by like this. Okay. Make sound. I have already taught you the sound of vowels. Okay. So try to read with this sound. Okay. And in your book these all words are there. So please read your books. Okay. Now let's stop here for today. We have completed our phonic sound of E. Let's meet in the next class with new chapter. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Okay.